Welcome to iemmaus Health and Wellness Hub. Am I the only one that didn't know beetroot is a superfood? Many recognize it by its deep, vibrant red color. For centuries, this earthy gem has been part of human diets. It grows beneath the soil, absorbing rich nutrients. Its distinctive taste is a mix of earthy and sweet notes. Some people love it instantly. Others take time to appreciate its unique flavor profile. Yet its presence in culinary traditions worldwide is undeniable. Historically, beetroot was valued for more than just food. Ancient civilizations like the Romans used it. They recognized its medicinal properties. The leaves were consumed, and the root was used for various ailments. Traditional medicine systems across cultures have noted its benefits. In recent years, beetroot has experienced a remarkable surge in popularity. It has moved from a simple vegetable to a celebrated superfood. Scientific research has begun to uncover the mechanisms behind its health benefits. Athletes, health enthusiasts, and medical professionals are taking notice. Understanding this root can unlock a powerful tool for better health. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Beetroot stands out for its impressive nutritional composition. It is remarkably low in calories, making it a great choice for weight management. Despite its low calorie count, it is packed with essential vitamins. It also contains vital minerals and beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients work together to support overall health. Among its key vitamins, folate, also known as vitamin B9, is particularly abundant. Folate plays a crucial role in cell growth and function. Beetroot also provides a good amount of vitamin C. This well-known antioxidant supports the immune system. Essential minerals are also plentiful in beetroot. It is a significant source of potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting sodium's effects. Manganese is another mineral found in good quantities. Beetroot also contains iron, which is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood. Beyond vitamins and minerals, beetroot offers dietary fiber. Furthermore, beetroot contains unique plant compounds called betalains. These compounds are a key reason for beetroot's superfood status. Beetroot's connection to cardiovascular health is one of its most researched benefits. This positive impact is largely attributed to its high content of inorganic nitrates. Our bodies convert these dietary nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a critical role in maintaining healthy blood vessels. It acts as a vasodilator, helping relax and widen blood vessels. Improved blood flow can benefit the entire cardiovascular system. Numerous scientific studies support these claims. For instance, a study published in the investigated beetroot juice's effects. Participants who drank beetroot juice daily showed a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This effect was observed within hours of consumption and sustained with regular intake. The researchers linked this directly to the increased nitric oxide levels. Another study might focus on endothelial function, showing improved elasticity of blood vessels. Some studies also suggest beetroot may have a modest positive impact on cholesterol levels. The evidence continues to grow, highlighting beetroot's protective qualities for our hearts. Section 4. Fueling Performance: How Beetroot Boosts Athletic Endeavors. Athletes are increasingly turning to beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. The same nitrates responsible for cardiovascular benefits are at play here. The nitric oxide produced helps improve blood flow to muscles. This enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. It can also help remove metabolic waste products more efficiently. This can lead to improved endurance and overall athletic output. Many athletes report feeling less fatigued. The nitric oxide derived from beetroot has a direct impact on muscle efficiency. It appears to reduce the oxygen cost of exercise. This means muscles can perform the same amount of work while using less oxygen. A study published in the provides compelling evidence. Researchers often use cyclists or runners in these studies. In one such study, trained cyclists consumed beetroot juice before a time trial. They showed improved performance compared to when they consumed a placebo. Beetroot offers a natural, food-based strategy to potentially enhance athletic capabilities. Section 5. Cooling the flames. Beetroot's role in combating inflammation. Inflammation is a natural bodily process. It helps us fight infections and heal injuries. However, chronic inflammation is different. It's a long-term, low-grade inflammation. This type can contribute to various health problems. Diet plays a significant role in managing inflammation. Certain foods can help reduce it. Beetroot is emerging as one such food. Its anti-inflammatory properties are gaining attention. The primary compounds in beetroot responsible for these effects are betalains. Betalains are not just for show. They are potent antioxidants. They help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is closely linked to inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, betalains can help dampen the inflammatory response. This protective action occurs at a cellular level. Scientific research has begun to explore betalains' anti-inflammatory actions more deeply. Some small human trials have also suggested similar benefits, though more extensive research is needed. Including beetroot regularly could help your body better manage inflammatory processes. Section 6 from Garden to Table, incorporating beetroot into your daily diet. Beetroot is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Enjoy it raw or cooked. Raw beetroot is crunchy and earthy. Cooked beetroot is softer and sweeter. Beet greens are nutritious too. Its vibrant color adds visual appeal. Popular in juices and smoothies, combined with fruits and vegetables. Salads and side dishes are fantastic. Roasted beetroot is a classic. Make healthy eating delicious and exciting. Section 7. The Vibrant Verdict, embracing beetroot with awareness. Beetroot is more than just a colorful vegetable. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Benefits include heart health and athletic performance. Its anti-inflammatory properties are significant, rich in vitamins, minerals, and betalains. Embrace this vibrant root for your well-being. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.